Okay guys, good morning. So nagkakaroon na ng hocus pocus dito sa top tether. Kasi more than 24 hours na hindi sila nagre-remit, hindi sila nag-ano ng payment. Ang reason nila, the reason is that they are upgrading the system to BSC. So I've checked this address. I've checked this BSC address. So this is my address, guys. If you will copy this one, if you copy it on the clipboard, usually you just copy and then paste. So it's not a BSC address at all. So it is a TRX address. So I've checked, I copied and then paste it anywhere. So you can say this is a TRX address because it starts with TRJ. So BSC address starts with OX. So that BSC upgrade or update is just their show, no? Yeah, that is not really true. So last night I also tested for 2.5 USD withdrawal to BSC, to my BSC MetaMask, and it didn't go also. So looks like this BSC pool is just it's not true. This they're just making this one up, and I don't know why this history is still not showing. But they make a big update yesterday. I don't know why they are having this problem now. And I think that they are already running. They are prepared to run, because as you can see, this is my last withdrawal yesterday, the 23rd January, the day before yesterday. So this is my last withdrawal. So if you can, if you will check the Ton viewer, we will see the address. This is the bot address. And see, last transaction of the bot was yesterday, more than 24 hours already. And this bot is only having 42 ton. But if you will check the deposit wallet, the deposit wallet, you can find it. We'll check our transaction when we bought this. This is the package for 25 USDT. So here you will send the funds to this wallet. So this is the USDT wallet. So it's full. No, they have even transactions 24/7. I don't know what's the reason why they cannot. They don't have transaction on the withdrawal side. They are saying that they have bug and they are updating the system to BSC. So this is just a story, because if there is bug, then the whole bot will not work, and people cannot buy these packages. See how many people are still buying the packages, $50, $40, and they expect this top trader to pay for them. We will see. Because from my experience, I am paid on my withdrawals. This is the first day now that they are so delayed. The transaction for withdrawals is more than 24 hours, maybe 100K already. 100K. So on their wallet they have 22,000 USDT on the TON, on the TON network. So better to use TON, because USDT transfer in TON is almost zero gas fees and transaction fees. So I have already made like 3-4 withdrawals from TON, but it's not showing on the withdrawal, on the history, and also not showing on the address which I supposedly sent. So I sent all the withdrawals to this address. So this 4 AM address. So again, I will try to make one, and then I will screenshot and then post this video on their YouTube channel. We'll see how they will react, because they are trying to escape now. I will withdraw, like, let's say 5 USD. Withdraw, run. So we have to flip this. So we'll paste the address, my address here. Okay, my address is pasted. Then we'll put, oh come on, okay, let's put, let's say 5. Say it's successful, but if you will check here, nothing is coming. So that's my fourth withdrawal with Ton already. I have 2 5s, one $3, and that one also 5, so 3 5s now. Because everything is working on this app, you know. They have updated this app. They even take out one of my Airlandia, this airdrop Landia package, because it was already used up. So I have nothing against it, TapTether, because I was earning from them. So in the beginning it was good, everything was paying fine. So I get I invested $35 initially, and I get even 3 times of that, because I was putting upgrades also for my other accounts. But now it's totally shitty now. They even kick my